Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch Ultimate and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this watch. To turn on this watch, simply press and hold the upper button and keep holding it until you see the Huawei logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting into a system. And as you can see, we are in the system, and that's how you turn on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.